In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect PayPal to Lovable AI. Open up Lovable, click on all projects, and then select the project which you want to connect PayPal to. From here, you will give it the prompt, connect to PayPal. So you will just type connect to PayPal, and afterwards it just showed me this. What do you want to use PayPal for? You can either accept payments for subscriptions or payouts. I will do the first option, accept payments, and click on submit. Now it is going to begin thinking here and reviewing the integration approach for PayPal. So we're just going to give it some time. Okay, so a backend function that creates orders, PayPal button on your results page. Would you like to proceed with the approach? Once you confirm, I'll ask you securely to add your PayPal credentials. And you will select proceed with PayPal setup and click on the send button. Okay, so it's going to begin creating the integration, and then it's going to ask for our initials on PayPal. So I'm just gonna pause and come back once this has completed. Actually, it was super fast, so you will need to add secrets. So right here, it is going to ask for the PayPal client ID and the PayPal client secret. So in order to get those, you will need to navigate to your PayPal business account, then go into apps, and then you will create a new app. So app and credentials, and you will create a new app, and it's going to give you the PayPal client ID and the secret. After you provide both of those right here, you will click on submit, and that is going to integrate PayPal into your Lovable AI project. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.